Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So, colored mascaras, right? You never really see anybody wearing them. So I decided to try on a few so y'all don't have to. Y'all stay tuned if y'all want to find out what that's all about. Okay, so are any of y'all like me and you get really excited when you see some name brand makeup at Dollar Tree and it's all these crazy colors and you're like, I have to buy it because it's name brand and it's only $1 and I might want to do this crazy editorial fashion avant-garde look, and you never really do that look, you just stick to your neutrals every day? Don't lie. I know y'all. Don't lie. I know you do it too. Anyway, I noticed I kept buying these random like colored mascaras and I've never really seen anybody wear colored mascara. So I decided to try some out because y'all are probably like me, buying random makeup for a rainy day or for some look that you're never gonna do, and you might actually want to see how it looks on somebody before you waste your little $1.10. So let's get into this. And I had these Maybelline Snapscara mascaras for a while, and the other day I picked up this one from Wet n Wild, and I was thinking I keep buying these and I don't even know what they look like. So we're gonna try these out. I'm really excited to try these because I've seen these a lot of places actually. I've seen them in like the actual drugstore. I've seen them in like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, but to see them in Dollar Tree, I was like, I could spare $1 just to try this out. Okay, so I am really excited to try this burgundy one. It's called Black Cherry. I am super excited. It's like this pretty burgundy color, like I said, and I think that would be really dope. So yeah, the picture on the packaging was given a very bright burgundy, and this is not it. You know what I wish? I wish I had gotten like some of that white, like mascara primer stuff. That probably would have made it pop. Let me try something real quick. Okay, so I don't have any of that eyelash primer stuff, but I took some white eyeliner and put that on these lashes on my other eye. So I'm gonna put the mascara on and see if it's a little brighter that way. Let's see if this works. Okay, so that did nothing. But I feel like it made my eyelashes a little bit thicker. Okay, so yeah, it's not really giving me what it was supposed to have gave. I mean, it just looks like black or like dark brown. I'm sure in the sun it probably like shows up a lot, but right now under all these bright lights and this camera and in person, I'm not seeing it. It just looks black, which I'm not mad at, but I'm pretty sure in the sunlight it'll look different, and I ain't willing to take that risk because I might just go outside looking crazy. So let's move on to the other colors. Okay, we're gonna move on to this blue one, which looks pretty bright and vibrant, so I have higher hopes for this one. The Black Cherry kind of let me down. This is the color Deja Blue, which is super cute. Okay, so this is super blue. I'm really excited about this one. Let's get into it. Okay, so this one started off really good. You could already see it like right there, and that's just the first few swipes. So obviously I'm gonna have to build this up with a lot of coats so you can really see it, but even just the first few swipes are really good. And this is after about 3, maybe 4 coats with a little drying in between. Okay, so Miss Deja Blue is giving what it's supposed to have gave. Y'all, look at this. And of course I had to be a little extra with my blue bandana and my blue lip. It's giving me Left Eye in the No Scrubs video. It's a moment, it's a moment. And like, I ain't even fronting, like I might wear this out in the world, like in public, in front of peoples. I'm really shocked by how like vibrant and pretty this blue is. Like, I will for real wear this out in the world. Probably with like a more complimentary eyeshadow look, but and the blue nails, just everything, like just all the blues, y'all. But yeah, I'm really loving this. It is fire. That is $1 well spent. Black Cherry, you let me down, but this Deja Blue, y'all see? Do you see this? Y'all, she cute. Like she really cute. Okay, let me work on the other one. Let me try to take off this mascara without messing up my eyes. It's the end of the day and my makeup's all crusty. Don't judge me. But I'll be back with the last one. And last but not least, we have this purple one that I'm really excited to try. It looks just as vibrant and bright as the blue one. This one is called Ultraviolet, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And I also have this other one that's also purple from Wet n Wild. It's called Avenging Amethyst. Like that's real dramatic. So I'm gonna be comparing these two. Like hopefully this is like, I don't know, that name is like really dramatic. I'm excited to see this one, but let's get into it. So just like the blue, this one was showing up almost instantly. It's obviously a darker color, so you couldn't see it as well as the blue, but I could still see it putting it on. And just like the blue, I did about 3 or 4 coats with a little bit of drying in between. That just makes sure it's, you know, thick enough to kind of build on itself. So yeah, about 3 or 4 coats did this job. Okay, so while the Maybelline eye is drying, I'm gonna go in on this eye with the Wet n Wild. So right off the bat, this one was really hard to work with. It was more of a thick cream than a mascara, and the color is so pretty. I love it, but it was so hard to work with. It was so many coats to get it to show up. I just could not get it together with this one. Okay, so after letting it dry and putting on a few more coats, this one is still more vibrant, just like the blue one. It's easier to work with. It's just like a normal mascara. This one, the color is brighter, but it's not showing up as well, and it's so hard to work with. Like this wand, you think it'd be helpful because of like the little ball. It's very, very hard to work with, and like I said, the color is much brighter than this one, more, I guess, vibrant, but it's not showing up as well. So I'm gonna take this off and finish and put this on this eye, and I'll be back. So Miss Ultraviolet has entered the chat. She is in the room, y'all. She understood the assignment, and she is giving. I love this. It's just like the blue one. It's not as like vibrant and out there, but it's so pretty and like more subtle, but I definitely see myself rocking this whole look. I was gonna do a full purple lip and just fell in love with the like outline 90s chola kind of look, and it turned out, I shocked myself, y'all. Like I wasn't even trying to do all this, and just look at it. I really love how this looks. It's just like, it's subtle, but it's there, and I know outside is gonna be even brighter, and I really want to give that a try. So I can see myself wearing this out in public as well, just like the blue one. I really wish I had like a bright pink mascara to try out, or like a nice like olive or army green. That would be so dope. But yeah, I'm really liking this. So I'm really pleased with this little experiment. This worked out really well. I got some new looks swimming around in my head that I can't wait to try. So I'm super excited about this. If y'all have never tried these colored mascaras, give them a try. So thank y'all so much for joining me on this random journey. Like I said, this video wasn't planned. It was kind of spur of the moment because I keep buying these random makeups and these random colors from Dollar Tree, and I gotta stop hoarding this makeup and actually try this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, showed y'all something. Maybe if you haven't ever seen the colored mascaras, give it a try. As usual, everything will be linked down below for you guys to try out if you can't find it in your stores, or maybe you don't want to go to the stores, you just want to order online. Y'all can find everything down below, as well as the other makeup that I wore, my nail polish, all that good stuff. So I have that stuff linked down below so y'all can try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Y'all don't forget to follow me on my social media. I love talking to you guys over there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.